Today I'm hand dyeing some leather coasters. I hand cut this Bar E brand in these leather coasters. That's 13 to 15 ounce skirting. It's pretty thick, and I got a lot of depth on my hand cut in letters there, and spent some time here dyeing these letters. I've got one more coaster left to dye here, and a lot of times you'll be dyeing your letters and the dye will run down the side of the letter on the outside, kinda. You can still make that look good like I've done here. I just went ahead and dyed the edge of the letter also. One way around that is to use a dye pen or sometimes a flare, and you can quickly and easily dye the edge of your letter like that, and then just come back with your leather dye and fill in the void there. I'm using number 121 Phoebing's medium brown leather dye to dye these letters, and that's what I've got in this craft tool leather pen here also. I have my leather dye in the cap of my leather dye container. Got a fairly big brush here. It's good to keep several different sizes of brushes on hand. I like the tip of this. If I decide to dye the edge, I can get that sharp tip down in there and clean that up and make it look nice. I will come back and oil the coasters lightly, let it set a while, and then put a top coat on there, either the Phoebing's tan-kote or the Pro Resist by Phoebing's is also very good. After it dries, it does have somewhat of a protective finish, even though it's kind of a water-based coating. After it dries, it resists. I know that was a pretty quick session on leather dyeing, dyeing letters or brands or whatever. What I did after I dyed the letters, I put a coat of Phoebing's tan-kote with a small brush. I put a coat on the letters to kind of seal those off a little bit. Then I came in with some olive oil and a rag here that's got oil in it, and rubbed oil on the front and the back. And now I'm just letting it set a little bit, and I'll kind of even these out and kind of make them match. My next step will be to use Phoebing's Pro Resist to put a sealer on here, and that'll bring the color out, make them look pretty, as well as somewhat preserve the leather for water rings or whatever. But with a lot of use, these will gain a character that will be pretty unique. So I've got a set of 8 coasters here, and appreciate you watching this.